Okay, for question number 1b, okay, evaluate this integral negative 6x squared over root of 3 minus 4x cubed dx. Okay, so please add this using substitution method. In fact, that you are given the hint here, your u value is equals to 3 minus 4x cubed. Okay, so noted that the idea of integration by substitution, okay, when we want to use the substitution method, meaning that we want to simplify the terms. Okay, simplify from the complicated term to the simplified form so that it will be easier for us to integrate after that. So nilai u ni mestilah ambil nilai yang panjang ataupun nilai yang complicated dalam soalan tu. Okay, you janganlah ambil yang atas ni negative 6x kuasa 2. So kalau ambil negative 6x kuasa 2, sort of nothing's changed, right? Okay, so takkan you nak ambil nilai atas ni, mesti ambil yang ni. So bonus lah kalau soalan tu dah bagi apa nilai u. Okay, so the u term here is 3 minus 4x cubed. Find your du over dx. So always remember that kalau dekat sini u, maksudnya you cari du over dx. Kalau sebelum ni you familiar dengan y, okay, nanti carilah dy over dx. Depends on variable apa yang kita gunalah. Okay, so this one yang ramai yang buat salah, you ignore this negative. So please note that when you have this negative, so that remain the negative sign. 3 times 4, okay, recall that index ni darab ke depan, and then you will get 12 x to the power of 2. A differentiation, index tolak 1. Okay, so you need to make dx as the subject so that later on this dx can be replaced at your, okay, besarnya sekejap. Okay, this dx can be replaced at dx term, right? Okay, and then your u term here can be replaced here. Okay, so that's the things we are going to do. Okay, so now gantilah this one. In the first place, negative 6x kuasa 2 ni, dia tak kacau apa-apa lagi sebab tadi kita tak guna pun. Kita tak guna kan? Kita guna 3 tolak 4x kuasa 3. So, negatif 6x kuasa 2 ni, salin sahaja. Jangan ubah apa-apa. Yang ni, tukarlah sebab kita dah let this 3 minus 4x cubed as u. So, this is root of u. And then replace everything here, du over negative 12x to the power of 2. Now, you need to check for the common term that you can eliminate, you can simplify. So, you have x square here and x square here. Obviously, we can cancel out these two things. And then 6 and 12, you can simplify, make it 2. And this negative and negative also you can simplify. So that the numerator left is 1 now, okay, or du. And denominator part is this one left with 2. Okay, 2 here, and then u root of, we can change that form to u to the power of half. Okay, so this one is actually the coefficient, right? Okay, this 1 and 2, this one is the coefficient or the constant. So we can bring this in front of the integral. Please note that you cannot bring any variable in front of the integral. So this 1 over 2, yes, you can bring in terms in front of the integral. It is just a number. Later on, we can always multiply it. Okay. But if you put the variable in front, then you may misintegrate the terms. And in fact, memang tak boleh pun. Tak boleh bawa variable ke depan. Okay, untuk soalan yang bentuk integration ni lah. Okay. So what's left here is u to the power of negative 1 over 2 du. So bila dah dapat bentuk ni, I rasa you dah nampak lah how can we integrate. Simply integrate ni dah jadi simple dah. Sebab tu kita guna substitution nak dapatkan term yang simple. Okay. So use negative 1 per 2 tambah 1 dapat positif, bahagi dan tambah c. This is indefinite integral, tak ada bounded kan. Okay, so mesti ada constant lah plus c. So that divide with 1 over 2. So recall balik idea of double fraction, right? So kalau you ada a divide with 2 over 3. Okay, a divide with 2 over 3. So this should be equals to a times with 3 over 2. Okay, term ni you boleh naikkan dekat atas lah. Okay, so that kalau bahagi 2 per 3, maksudnya nanti akan darab dengan 3 per 2. So that's why untuk part ni, you boleh naikkan 2 ni dekat atas. Jadi darab dengan 2 per 1. Okay, 2 per 1. So kita dah tulislah 1. So that this 2 and 2 can be simplified. Left is u to the power of half plus c. So the last step is you need to replace back with the u term that previously we assigned. So that the u term just now, it should be here. This one. 3 minus 4x cubed. So just replace this one, 3 minus 4x cubed. So this will be your final answer. Okay, so for this one, okay, soalan dah bagi a few things. So nilai yang dia bagi ni, integration from -3 to -1 for fx is equals to 4. Okay, and integration from 4 to 5 for fx is equals to 2. Okay, so the things that are given here, 4 and 2, okay, ni you nak guna je masuk dalam nilai-nilai yang available lah dekat bawah tu. Okay, so you want to find the value of k. Okay, you want to find this k value if the integrations from -3 to -1 k fx dx, okay, plus with second is 1 to 4 yang dia bagi kat sini, k x square, and the third is from 4 to 5 fx over 2 dx equals to 12. Okay, so you are given one equation. Okay, this one, if you are given in terms of normal equation or basic equation without the integral, okay, you will see the problems is very simple, straightforward. Betul tak? Kalau lah tak ada bounded kat depan tu, contohlah soalan ni bagi dekat you, you ada nilai k x, okay, tambah dengan k x kuasa 2 tambah dengan k, yang ni tak ada k sebenarnya, 1/2 contoh sama dengan 12 contoh. Okay, so you akan nampak ni sebenarnya persamaan biasa sahaja, right? Okay, equation yang ada x and then nak cari k contoh. Okay, tapi dekat sini mestilah ada values yang boleh diganti lah, okay, untuk solvekan equation. Okay, so soalan ni first, integration from -3 to -1 untuk k fx. Ada tak information tu kat atas? Yang ni. Ni sama tak? -3 ke 1? Right? Okay, untuk fx dx. Okay, 3, 1 untuk fx dx. Ni. Fx dx. Sama kan? Cumanya dia tak ada nilai k. Okay. So for that integrations of -3, okay, to -1 fx tu, you dah boleh gantikan dengan nilai 4. Okay, so kecualikan dengan k tu, you dah boleh gantikan dengan 4. So k ni remain sahaja kat depan, and then you can replace this with 4. Okay, so we settle for the first integral. Second part punya integral, 1 to 4. Okay, ada tak 1 to 4 kat atas ni? Tak ada. Okay, tak ada pun information on 1 to 4. So now check on the question. It is k x square. So sebenarnya k ni dia punya constant or unknowns that you want to find. So nilai x kuasa 2 ni yang you nak kena integrate. Betul? Okay, so ni samalah kalau nak tulis balik dalam sebutan k ni kat depan, integrations of 1 for x square dx. Sama, you boleh je nak tulis balik k tu, biar je dulu, nanti baru kita darab. Okay, and the third integral, 4 ke 5 tu ada tak? Ni 4, 5 kan? Okay, so you dah ada nilai tu. Okay, the values is 2, and then given is fx over 2 dekat sini. So kalau dia dah bagi kat sini fx over 2, maksudnya you kena ganti 2 lah kat atas ni kan. Okay, sebab nilai dekat sini 2. Ganti 2, dia dah ada dah 1/2. So maksudnya you akan ganti dengan nilai 2, bahagi juga dengan 2. 2 over 2. Okay, ni sama dengan 12 sebab soalan dia bagi memang 12. Okay. So yang lain semua dah boleh darab. I mean simplify lah. Yang ni dah dapat 4k. Yang ni dah dapat 1. Okay, ini memang remain 12. Okay. Yang you nak kena integrate sebutan yang kedua ni sahaja. Okay. Soalan ni nampak susah ke senang? Nak integrate apa je sebenarnya? X kuasa 2. You just want to integrate x kuasa 2. Integrate x kuasa 2 dapat apa? X kuasa 3 per 3. Okay. Integrate X kuasa 2, you dapat X kuasa 3 per 3. So, ni tambahlah. K yang asalnya letak je dulu kat situ. And then kita kena ganti 1 until 4. Okay. So, this one, 12 ni, ni dah boleh move dah. Move to this side. So, ni you dah dapat 11. Betul? Okay. Since yang kat sini ada nilai K, we just remain first. Okay. So, kita nak kena darabkan yang figures yang kat dalam tu. Okay. So, 4K here. K kat luar. 4 kuasa 3 berapa? 64. 4 kuasa 3, 64. 64 bahagi 3 tolak dengan 1 per 3. Okay, so you kira that one 64/3 minus 1/3 dapat apa? Okay, 64 tolak 1 asal ni you dah dapat 63 kan? Okay, 63/3. Okay. So, 63/3 plus with 4K dekat situ. Ah, 63K over 3. You nak tambah dengan 4. Dapat berapa? Yang tu simplify dapat berapa? 21. Okay, 21K 11. So, 21 and 4 ni dah dapat 25. So, 25K is equals to 11. Okay. So, that your K should be equals to 11/25. So, settle 15 markah. Soalan susah ke? You tersilap faham? Soalan yang Aida bagi dah hint je kan? Bentuk-bentuk soalan nak kena study.